What is up, guys? It's Shamsi with a new video. Looking a bit rough, ignore that. Before I start the video, I just want to make sure that you guys are okay. How you guys doing during this whole corona outbreak, this whole lockdown? Me personally, I've been off work due to emergency procedures were put in place for my work, but I haven't lost my job or anything like that. So I've just been keeping it real, staying inside, doing what Boris is saying. Literally at this time of recording, it just went live that Boris got COVID-19. So yeah, sucks. But anyway, enough of that doomy gloomy shit. We got a mod to do today. This mod was sent out by RJH Autostyle, and I can't stop looking at it. It looks absolutely fire. Let me just show you guys what. So in the package, obviously that's where I got it from. This got sent out to me. Massive shout out to them lot. Obviously it came pretty fucking fast, considering that deliveries is a bit, you know, all over the place. But yeah, so if you guys don't know, this is a engine bay dress up kit. We've got washers, screws, 4 individual screws. We got what do you call it, we got air freshener, and we got another cheeky Hugo Boss air freshener. As you guys know, I love my fucking air fresheners. Like, mate, I even got some down there, some air fresheners down there. I love my air fresheners, so I'm very excited about this. It smells really nice. It's not even open, but I can still smell it. So that's a fucking plus, which means that's gonna last a very long time. Shout out to RJH for sending this out to me. And yeah, very easy mod. All you gotta do is just unscrew some screws, put the washer there, screw it back in, you're done. Easy. So difficulty is like a 2 out of 10 in my opinion. Yeah, so the color scheme which I'm going for is a blue color scheme. As you guys can see, got blue there, we got a little rainbow effect, we got blue there, I'm not sure if you can see blue, and we got a blue one underneath here somewhere, and blue up there on the light. So yeah, first up, let's pop the bonnet and see what's the first thing to do. But I do recommend, it seems like you need a Phillips, so just get like a Phillips screwdriver and then you should be sorted. Sweet, it's voiceover Shamsi here, and now you should have about 15 screws in total to be doing for this modification. Now, this is like one of the best mods that I've done to the Fiesta to this date, because cosmetically it just looks drippy, like ice, bro, iced out, bro. Like, it looks nuts. Cool, sweet. So I'm using a flathead to unscrew the first screw of the slam panel. The slam panel is gonna have 4 of the smaller screws. What, bro? The slam panel is gonna have 4 smaller screws. Yeah, that's in the bag. And then obviously what I'm doing in the video is I'm making sure that the ST logo is facing upright and is straight at 12 o'clock, because boom, OCD was taken over. When it's all at an angle, yo, it drives me nuts. Like, obviously my car's gonna be a bit of a show car, but it has to be A1, like, so I can sleep at night. Sweet. So moving on to the next one, one of the last screws for the slam panel. And yeah, as you can see, the little red plastic Play-Doh looking shit underneath, that's where your screw is going to screw into. And oh, almost dropped my phone. And yeah, so unscrew this. All you got to do is just take the plastic screw out. You ain't got to take that little black underneath part or the little holder out, because if you do, then your screw won't have anything to screw into. That little black part underneath is where the screw is going to screw into, just in case you guys are wondering. But look at that glistening in the sun, rude boy. Oh my days, mate, it is glistening, fam. This is so icy. Ice, yeah. So obviously my boy Quavo just jumped in, because, you know, even he had to say that the thing was icy. Oh my days, bro. Anyway, yeah, so after you do your slam panels, now you're gonna do your big screws. Now what? Anyway, yeah, OCD's kicking in again. Gotta make sure that it's straight, screw it in. Obviously these screws, what you're doing is gonna be bigger, so you can't mess this up. Like, you literally can't. So yeah, you screw it in, and then you're gonna keep banging out the rest, and then yeah, you got it, mate. Now with the wings, you literally just use a 10mm socket and it comes right out, and you just screw it right back in. Simple as. Sweet. Now to just finish it off is to hang up the new air freshener. Oh bro, this smells nuts. Rude boy, nuts. It smells even more icier. Once again, shout out to RJH Autostyle. It is lit company. Go check them out. Kaboom.